In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable passcode on sent emails. You can turn on confidential mode where someone will require a passcode to read your sent emails. To do this, simply head into your Gmail. Tap on Compose. On this page, to lock or add passcode to this particular email, you will have to tap on these three dots on your upper right corner on the screen. Select the first option of confidential mode. For someone to open up this particular email, they will have to first put in a passcode first. All passcodes are generated by Google. Google recipients will receive an email passcode to authenticate the already sent email message. You can also set an expiry date based on the time the email was sent. That's how easy it is to lock sent emails on Gmail. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.